Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best treadmill for your home gym in 2026? Whether you're walking, jogging, or training for better fitness, a quality treadmill can help you stay active year-round. In this video, we've selected the top 5 best treadmills on Amazon that offer great performance, convenience, and value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Treadmills for Home 3.0 HP Quiet Foldable Treadmill with Incline. Starting our list is the 3.0 HP Quiet Foldable Treadmill with Incline. This treadmill is designed for home users who want a reliable workout machine without sacrificing space. The powerful 3.0 HP motor delivers smooth and quiet operation, making it ideal for apartments and shared living spaces. Its foldable design allows easy storage when not in use, while the incline feature adds intensity to your workouts. With a sturdy frame supporting up to 330 pounds, it accommodates a wide range of users. Pros: powerful 3.0 HP motor, quiet operation for home use, foldable and space-saving design, incline feature for enhanced workouts, high 330-pound weight capacity, suitable for walking, jogging, and running. This treadmill offers an excellent balance of performance, durability, and convenience, making it a great choice for most home fitness enthusiasts. Number 2. Aiteid Treadmill with Incline. The Aiteid Treadmill with Incline is a compact and portable fitness solution for users with limited space. Featuring a 3.0 HP motor, this treadmill provides smooth performance for walking, jogging, and running workouts. Its lightweight design and built-in handles make it easy to move and store. The incline function helps increase calorie burn and workout intensity, while the durable construction supports users up to 300 pounds. Pros: compact and lightweight design, 3.0 HP motor for reliable performance, incline feature for more challenging workouts, easy to move and store, suitable for small apartments and homes, supports up to 300 pounds. The Aiteid treadmill is perfect for users wanting a portable and effective treadmill without taking up too much room. Number 3. Treadmill with Incline 3-in-1 Portable Treadmill. Next up is the 3-in-1 Portable Treadmill with Incline. This versatile machine is designed for walking, jogging, and running while maintaining a compact footprint. Its quiet 3.0 brushless motor ensures a smooth workout experience with minimal noise. The foldable design makes storage easy, and the included handlebar adds stability and safety during exercise. The LED display keeps important workout metrics visible at all times. Pros: 3-in-1 walking, jogging, and running functionality, quiet brushless motor, foldable and compact design, incline capability for greater workout variety, easy-to-read LED display, stable handlebar support. For users looking for versatility and space-saving convenience, this 3-in-1 treadmill delivers impressive performance. Number 4. Treadmills for Home with Auto Incline. If you're looking for a treadmill with advanced workout features, this auto incline folding treadmill is worth considering. It offers speeds up to 10 mph, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced runners. The automatic incline system allows users to simulate outdoor terrain, while the built-in Bluetooth speaker adds entertainment to every workout. Its foldable frame makes storage simple when space is limited. Pros: automatic incline functionality, speed up to 10 mph, foldable design for convenient storage, built-in Bluetooth speaker, pulse monitoring system, supports up to 300 pounds. This treadmill combines performance and modern features, making it a great option for users who want a more engaging workout experience. Number 5. LIJIUJIA Treadmill for Home. Rounding out our list is the LIJIUJIA Treadmill for Home. Equipped with a powerful 3 HP brushless motor and a 0% to 15% automatic incline system, this treadmill helps users maximize workout effectiveness. The LED display provides clear workout tracking, while pulse sensors help monitor heart rate during exercise. Its durable construction supports up to 300 pounds and is built for long-term use. Pros: 0% to 15% automatic incline adjustment, efficient 3.0 HP brushless motor, large LED workout display, heart rate monitoring sensors, durable and sturdy construction, supports up to 300 pounds. The LIJIUJIA treadmill is an excellent choice for users seeking advanced incline training and dependable home workout performance. These are our top 5 best treadmills on Amazon in 2026. Each model offers unique features to suit different fitness goals and home setups. Whether you're looking for a compact walking pad, a foldable treadmill, or an advanced incline trainer, there's an option here for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides.